Yo, what is up, guys? We're back to another video today. We are gonna be playing Beast Wars Simulator. I was playing a while. So I got this giant magnet. More bees. And Lid Nugget said, "Hey YouTube." He said different games together. He's gonna show me where Rodeo Jelly is. So let's go. Oh. Speed. Alright, what am I? And I'm gonna be eating and drinking some food. And we are in the VIP server. So yeah, he said and in my VIP server today. Because we are in his server. Oh, okay. Oh no, he's gonna die. He's so lucky he survived. He's going up here. Oh no, he fell. Think he wants me to come down? Yeah. It's so hard to see though. Yes, I got a Rodeo Jelly. Where did he go? Oh, I don't have enough. Well, I'm gonna get some pollen up here. Wait, my quest. Oh. Put that in red pollen. Let's go to the red pollen place. Rhino beetles. Okay. Oh no! Oh, I'm lucky I survived. Red. Yeah, this is where most of the red is. It's a ladybug. Sorry you guys hear drums, it's my brother. Oh my god. He's playing so loud. And I had to delete a lot of my games for this new game I got. So yeah. Oh yeah, I got the Bomberbee. And there's something I like about the regular bees. They give you honey. Like, they like spawn honey sometimes. It's pretty useful. Oh. Okay. Times to that. Where'd the Bomberbee go? Okay. Now that bumblebee go? Oh, there it goes. Wow, none of my bees are working. It's just me now. Should I go up there? Like, right there? Where the strawberries are? No, there's not much red, but yeah. You need some milk. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Baggy. Nope. Okay. When will I get another bomb thing? Bombers. Okay, I wonder where did Nugget 30 went? Oh, my container was full this whole time. It's gonna take a while for them to be done with this. Oh, he said so. Oh. Oh, wait, guys. Okay, now I'll drink stuff sometimes. So, yeah. This is actually taking a while, guys. One eternity later. Finally! Okay. I'm gonna go to the shop and see what I could get. What can I get? That's what I have right now. 18,000 for this. I can't buy anything. I can't. But I could buy actually something. Wait, what do you need to join? I'm gonna join that later after this video. So yeah. Here. Yeah, I'm parkouring. I made it. Okay. Why is stuff so expensive? I want to try to get on here. know it's possible though. Wait. Yes, speed. I went like here. How did I do it? I just did it and then the haste thing came. Woo. I know I did it. How did I? Well, I'm gonna show you how to get the royal jelly up here. Go like full speed. Then like when it gets to right here at the edge, you jump so you can make it. But I already got it. Okay. Let's get some red flowers for our quest. Okay. I'm gonna try to finish this quest before this video ends. Yes, bomb. Boom. Okay, we're about to finish this quest. I need that. I don't know what it does, but meh. Yes. And we finished the quest. I'm lucky I got the speed boost right now. Yeah. Okay. The ladybug bonker, that's for the panda. So yeah, okay. Nice job. Here's the room. Did I get? Where's the gold egg? He gave me honey. Even though he gave me a silver egg once. Okay, what do I do? Spider field, eh? First I'm gonna use my royal jelly on the one right there. Into another bomberbee. I have 2 bomberbees. Wow. Come on, I'm gonna end this video. Come to okay, I don't have to come to the hives. Okay. He's coming. Okay. Let's end the video with him. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, put a like, and send on the comments below. So bye.